Hello, good day, and welcome to Fun Online Maths. Today we are looking at this Olympiad maths question. It says 3 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x is 65. Then what is the value of x? So this is how we solve it. Solution. The first thing I'll do is to take each of them and give them a new power. So call 2 over 2. This is what I'm doing. 3 to the power of x. I'll give it a new power, 2 over 2. You'll see the reason why very shortly. Minus 2 to the power of x with a new power, 2 over 2, and then equals to 65. Remember, 2 over 2 is the same thing as 1, so it means that the power is just to the power of 1, which makes it the same. Now, 3 to the power of x. Remember, if you have, or by the laws of indices, if you have a to the power of m, n, it's the same thing as a to the power of n, m, right? Which can also be written as a to the power of n or to the power of m. It means that you can switch the powers of the base a. So for our question, we have 3 to the power of x to the power of 2 over 2. 2 over 2 is 2 divided by 2. And I can write that as 3 to the power of x divided by 2, then to the power of 2, minus 2 to the power of x over 2, also to the power of 2. And this is equals to 65. So you see that now I have difference of two squares. This is a square, this is a square, and then we are subtracting. Now for us to continue, I'm going to introduce new variables, a and b. I say let a be 3 to the power of x over 2, and then let b be equals to 2 to the power of x over 2. It means that we can now replace this as a square minus b squared, and this equals to 65. If this is the case, and I've already said it before, this is difference of two squares. For difference of two squares, when you have a square minus b square, it's the same thing as a minus b multiplying a plus b. All right, and so we can say a minus b times a plus b is equals to 65. Now, I want to bring my focus to 65. 65 is the same thing as 5 times 13. And if that is the case, I can write it as a minus b multiplying a plus b is equals to 5 times 13. You will discover that we are multiplying the left-hand side and also multiplying the right-hand side. It means that I can say a minus b is one of the numbers in the right, and a plus b is the other number in the right. A minus b, because of the subtraction, is going to be the lower number, while a plus b is the higher number. That means I can say a minus b is equals to 5, and a plus b is equal to 13. Now, I brought it to the case where I can use elimination method. This is a simultaneous equation. So if you subtract, I'll be subtracting a from a, that's 0. And then I have minus b minus plus b, which is minus b minus b. That is minus 2b. We also have 5 minus 13, which is minus 8. And then now I can divide both sides by minus 2, because here I'll be able to get b. If you divide both sides by minus 2, b will be equal to 4. And so we've gotten b, and we can from here use substitution to get a. We have a minus b equals to 5, and b is 4, so it means that a minus 4 equals to 5. And so add 4 to both sides to be able to eliminate 4 from the left hand side, and then we have a equals to 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9. So this is the value of a, and this is the value of b. But the question specifically asked us to find the value of x. Now, you will recall that from what we had here, a is equal to 3 to the power of x over 2, and b is equal to 2 to the power of x over 2. Any of them would work if you want to get the value of x. Let's work with a first. A is 9, so 9 is equals to 3 to the power of x over 2. 9 is 3 square with the base 3. 9 is 3 square, so that's 3 square is 3 squared is equals to 3 to the power of x over 2. In this case, I can equate the powers of 3. It means that 2 is equals to x over 2. And then if you cross multiply x, x will be equals to 2 times 2, which is 4. That's the value of x, but we can also check with b. We said b is 2 to the power of x over 2. So 2 to the power of x over 2. And from calculation, b is equal to 4. So 2 to the power of x over 2 is equal to 4. 4 is 2 squared, so this is 2 to the power of 2. Equate the powers of 2, which is x over 2 equals to 2. So now if we cross multiply, x will be equal to 2 times 2, which means that x is equal to 4. So it means that we've gotten our value of x, and this is the final solution for this Olympiad maths question. If you enjoyed this video, hit on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and to meet again, this goodbye from me.